Hi everyone, so welcome back to my channel. I know it's been long since I last uploaded a video, but today I'm back with a new video where I show you how I attempt to turn this skirt into this top. Yeah, so I got this skirt for a Halloween party with my club, CCA, a co-curricular activity, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, and it's been in my closet since, I would say for a good 6 to 8 years. Talk about being a hoarder, right? Yeah, so I've only worn it once for the Halloween party, and unfortunately I've grown out of it, so they no longer fit me. And instead of just throwing it out, I thought why not attempt to turn it into something more wearable, like a top. Yeah, so this video I'll be showing you my process on how I attempt to turn this into a top with my very limited sewing skills. So without further ado, let's get into it. So here's how the skirt looks like, and it actually has an inner shorts lining in it, which I'll have to get rid of if I were to turn this skirt into a top. So that's what I'll be doing first. Oh, so here's a little fun fact that I just realized. The brand of this skirt that I got from a costume store is called Pawn Boutique. How appropriate, right? How appropriate. So first off, I'm just gonna turn this skirt inside out and start getting rid of the lining. I'm gonna rip off the seams here, which I'm not sure if you can see, but I'm just gonna be ripping them off like that. And then continue throughout until the lining is detached from the skirt. Now I've gotten rid of the inner lining from the skirt. And what I'm gonna do next is to flip this over again. And then put it on to try it to see how it fits my body, to mark out how much needs to be taken off for it to fit nicely. Because there's a zipper here, which I want to keep for easy access in and out of the top, instead of cutting the excess fabric from the side where the zipper is, I'll be doing it on the other side where there is no zipper. Yeah, so I'm just gonna put it on and then mark it to see where I want the size to be and then come back right up. Fortunately, this skirt fits me well, so I don't need to trim away any excess fabric here. But if your skirt needs to be amended, here's how I will attempt to do it. Firstly, I'm gonna fit it in onto my body and mark out with pins on the side where there isn't a zipper to where it fits me. So let's say it's here. And I'm just gonna continue pinning it down. and then go under the sewing machine to sew a straight line down the marking. And then take a scissors to trim off the excess and it'll be good to go. Since I don't like how it looks like a tube, I've got some black belt or sash here, which I will use to make 2 shoulder straps. Like this and like this to fit onto my body. Firstly, I definitely need to measure the length of the shoulder strap. I'm going with this length. And just double it. And then cut it into 2 separate identical straps. Here's what I'm left with, and I'll be placing them like that. And just sew it here. And here. Yeah. So let's go under the sewing machine for that. Since there are some raw edges on the shoulder strap, I'll be rolling the raw edges inwards, like so. And then sew a straight line down to secure it. Yep, and here's how it looks like. I'm gonna pin the shoulder strap onto the skirt that was turned into a top, and then sew a straight stitch down to secure it onto the top too, and repeat the same process on the 4 ends of the shoulder strap. So here's how it looks like after it has been sewn together. So I'm done turning the pleated skirt into a top, and here's what it looks like. And I'm gonna put it on and show you guys. Okay, so here's how the blouse looks like when it's on. Yep, you can pair it with black jeans or just a blue jeans and you're good to go. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!